In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and reuse a page in Squarespace. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. This is your home base for everything on your site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in, then make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. From the home menu, open the Pages panel so you can see your site's page structure and navigation. Next, head to the page you want to reuse. Think of this as your starting template. Click on it to confirm it has the layout, sections, and styling you want to replicate. It's worth taking a quick look through the content so you know what will carry over and what you'll want to swap later. Now it's time to duplicate the page or copy its layout using the method shown in the tutorial. In most cases, you'll find a duplicate option in the page settings. If duplication isn't available for your specific page type, follow the tutorial's layout copy method by creating a new page and applying the same sections and design. Either approach gives you a faithful starting point without rebuilding everything from scratch. Once you have your copy, give it a clear new name so you can tell it apart from the original. This helps avoid confusion as you work. While you're there, update the page's URL slug to match the new purpose. Keeping the name and URL consistent makes it easier for visitors and helps with organization. With the duplicate in place, edit the content for the new purpose. Replace headlines, body text, and images so they match the new topic or audience. Adjust or remove sections that don't apply, and add any missing elements you need. Keep the structure you liked, but tailor the message and visuals so it feels intentional rather than a straight clone. Before you publish, check all links, images, and page settings on the reused page. Test buttons and internal links to ensure they point to the correct destinations. Confirm external links open where you expect. Swap any placeholder images, update alt text, and make sure galleries and backgrounds load properly. In settings, verify the page title, description, URL, navigation placement, and any search or social details so they reflect the new version. When everything looks right, save your changes and publish the new page. Use the preview to double check on desktop and mobile, then make it live when you're confident. That's it. Your duplicated page is ready to go, saving you time while keeping your design consistent.